Good afternoon, everyone. This is Hanisha from Taj Standard in our Shishanti Niketan English Medium School, Gorinta. Today I am explaining about acid-base test. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Gyanasri studying third standard in our Shishanti Niketan English Medium School, Gorinta. A. To show neutralization request between acid and base. Materials required: turmeric, lemon juice, detergent, water, glass. Procedure: take a glass of water. Add a spoon of turmeric. Turmeric is a natural acid base indicator. Adding detergent. Turmeric show red color in base solution. And add lemon juice. Turmeric show yellow color in acid solution. Conclusion: yellow color of turmeric appears due to acid. Thank you, everyone.